Hi there, my name is Lian Duan, and I have developed for 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an SSH key for your GitLab repository on Windows 11. We'll then use this key to clone the GitLab repository. My hands-on demo has 3 parts. Let's do it one by one. First thing, open Git Bash on your Windows 11 box. Select More Options, open Git Bash. Make sure you're running the latest version of Git. Command is git update Git for Windows, and hit Enter to upgrade your Git version. Zoom in the screen fit for the window. Next, we'll generate the SSH key pair using the SSH Key gen command. Add a T parameter. The T flag specifies the type of the key, and we're going to with the recommended ED25519, which recommended by GitLab. You can also add the comment, use C flag. Content is demo. Enter. Yes. Enter your password 2 times. Clean the screen. Now to manage our SSH key pair, we need to start SSH agent. The program will handle your key management. Command is exec-agent -bash, and it will set up the environment variables correctly. Great! Let's add your private key to the SSH agent using the command ssh-add plus key path. Enter the key password. Before we move to next step, copy the public key. You can easily find it by opening your Git GUI. Open Git GUI here. Go to Help menu. Click Show SSH Key. Copy it. In part 2, add your public key to GitLab. Move over to the GitLab page. Log into your GitLab account. Go to your profile settings. Go to left side navigation menu. Select SSH keys. Add a new key. Paste. Title is demo. Click Add Key button. In my demo, open my GitLab CI/CD project. Go to Clone button. Copy the SSH URL. We'll use it in the next step. In part 3, clone the GitLab repository. Time to back to our local Git Bash. Run clone command. Run git clone. Paste our project URL. Enter. Clone successfully. Back to my markdown file. If you face the error message as couldn't open a connection to your authentication agent, copy and paste to run 3 command should be fix your issue. That's for today's video. You have successfully learned how to create an SSH key pair for GitLab repo on Windows 11 and use it to clone repository with easily. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to more content. Thank you for watching the video and see you the next time.